Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to predict the opportunity win score. By predicting the opportunity win score, we can see the score of the opportunity that is going to win, and based on that score, we can know what is the opportunity to focus, and we can take the recommended actions that is suggested by the Einstein to make that opportunity to win. Let's see how can we achieve this by using the Einstein Discovery feature in Einstein Analytics. I went to the Einstein Analytics. I created the data set called All Opportunities data set that comes from the Salesforce opportunities data, and I have that data filtered by the closed opportunities because we are only taking the closed opportunity data, and by using that we are going to predict the active opportunities win score. I have stored it in my SAD app. Let me go to the SAD app. Here, let me go to the all opportunities. For creating the story, we need to click create story. This is the all opportunities data set. This is having the opportunity data. I am creating the story on top of this data set. So here I want to maximize the opportunity one. So I selected a maximize, and the fields that I am going to maximize one is true. So I need to maximize the opportunity that is going to win. So I selected the maximize and the field is one. Let's select the Einstein Discovery Story name. Opportunity win score prediction. I have named it as opportunity win score prediction, and I have stored it in the SAD app. Next, in the next step, we are going to select the story type. There are two types of story types available. One is insights, another one is insights plus prediction. If we select insights, it will give only insights of the existing opportunity data. If we select insights plus predictions, we can see the insights of the existing data as well as we can predict the future data. Here we need to predict the opportunity win score as well. So we have selected insights and predictions. Next is setup options. Here we can configure whether we need to select the fields that is going to contribute to the prediction or insights manually or automated way. Let's select this manual way. Okay, this is called the story setting page. Here we can select what are the variable or field that we need to include that will finally lead to the insights or predictions. Okay, minimum we need to have the two fields. So let's remove the unwanted fields. It will cause unwanted interruption in the predictions result. Okay, let's remove the quantity. And fiscal year we don't need, fiscal quarter we don't need. Probability, it is having the high correlation and it is directly dependent to the win score. So we don't need this. And amount we don't need, date we don't need, lost activity we don't need, close date we don't need. Let's keep hash line item. Source stage we don't need because if we select the close to one stage, then everything will come as win. Forecast category we don't need, closed we don't need. So like that we need to analyze the each and every field, and we need to select what are the fields that we can include in our prediction. So finally we forecast category also we don't need. Finally we have shortlisted the 9 fields that can be included in the creation of the Einstein Discovery Story. Let me create the story. So it will take some time for creating the story. Story is nothing but Einstein Discovery. We can call it as alternatively. Once a story gets created, we can see the what happened, why happened, and the recommendation, all those things we can see. In this today video, we are going to concentrate only on how can we predict the opportunity win score for the individual opportunities. So we will be creating the model once Einstein Discovery is created, then we will deploy this model to the Salesforce so that sales representative can see the win score in the opportunity and they can see the recommended action that has to perform in the opportunity. So let's see the in between, let it create, we can see the steps. So these are the steps in creating the opportunity win score prediction. First is creating the story, that's what we are doing, and we selected the maximize one true, and we have selected the fields that is going to contribute to the prediction, and we have created the story. Next we are going to deploy the story to Salesforce. Then we are going to drag and drop the prediction component to the opportunity page so that sales representative can see the score in the opportunity page. Okay, so finally it got created the story. Here we can see the multiple section is there. What happened, it explained what happened, what are the things that happened in the existing opportunity data and why it happened and what would happen for the future thing and what is the difference. This is the different thing we will concentrate later in the separate video. In this today video, we are just going to see how can we predict the opportunity win score. So let's focus on that. So for that we need to deploy the model. Okay, let's click on the deploy model. So we are going to deploy the model, then only we can see the data in the Salesforce. So I am naming it as opportunity win score model. Okay, next in the next step we need to add the object, in which object we are going to deploy this model. As we know, we are going to deploy this model on the opportunity object. So we selected opportunity. Next, map fields. So we need to, before when we were creating the Einstein Discovery, we were selecting the fields. That fields are called explanatory variable that is going to use for prediction and insights. So we need to map those fields with the opportunity fields in the opportunity record. So it is automatically mapped whatever the things it knows. And let's select for this. In the account ID, we need to select account source. So let's go to the account ID and account source. Okay, we have selected the account ID and account source. Next, let's select the account ID and type account type. So finally, we have mapped all the fields with the Salesforce record field. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, next what we are going to see whether we are going to store the result in the any one of the custom field. In this for this purpose, we are not going to store the field values in the. We are not going to store the outcome in the any variable in the Salesforce record. We are just going to see the values in the Salesforce record. So we have selected no prediction field. Next, add a filter. Whether we are going to predict for the all the active opportunities in the Salesforce, or we are going to segment it, like we need to predict only for particular sales region or customer type. In that case, we can segment it. Here we need to predict for the all the active opportunities, so I have selected no segment. Next, action variable. Actionable variable based on the Salesforce will show the Einstein Analytics recommendation, so that Salesforce representative can make some modification to the action variable based on the recommendation. Hash line item we can add, and account source we can't do anything. Hash open activity we can add in the action variable, and opportunity type we can't do anything. Lead source also we can't do anything. So these two item sales representative can control. So let's preview it. Okay, so this is the model that we are going to deploy in the Salesforce. Let's click on the deploy. So now it is deploying the model to the Salesforce, so that we don't need to come to the Einstein Analytics for seeing the result for the each opportunity. So now it successfully deploy the model. Okay, now let's go to the Salesforce. Let's go to the opportunities page. Okay, I came to the opportunity space. Let's open any one of the opportunity. Okay, I am opening this opportunity. It is in the prospecting stage for now. So if I want to predict the win score for this opportunity, and if I want to see the recommendation, how can I do? Currently it is not showing any outcome or any prediction, any recommendation. Okay, so for that we need to add the one component called the prediction component in the opportunity page. We already deploy the model to the opportunity object. For seeing it in the UI, we need to add the prediction component. So let's search for the prediction component. This is the component Einstein predictions. So let me add it here. So we have added the Einstein prediction. Now it is telling no prediction available. We need to select our model. Our model name is nothing but opportunity win score model. That's what we created. Let's save this model and let's go back to our opportunity page. Okay, super. So now it is displaying the Einstein prediction. So this is the score for this opportunity. It is showing the 24 out of 100. So why it is the explanation why it is showing the 24 score. This is having the has open activities to means it is having the not completed activity, and also it is having the has line item. So these are the field which is reducing the score to 24. So this is how to improve this. This is nothing but the recommendation. What is the recommendation sales representative can do for making this win score to greater than 24? Okay, so by changing the, if he can complete the open activity, then it will become false, then it the score will get increased. Like that he can focus on what he has to do on the opportunity, and he can increase the score so that it will lead to the opportunity win. Thanks for watching videos.